790A automatic frame bending machine. This machine is the world's first in the industry, with a complete set of processes including automatic loading and unloading, baking, surface bending, water-cooled shaping, and frozen solidification. Ensure that each stage has databases and guarantees the best and most stable quality. The adjustment of the new model only takes 5 to 7 minutes. Automatic loading. Baking. And the heating temperature of the mirror frame is automatically and accurately read at the moment of each heating discharge. It is pressed while cooling and shaping. The surface bending mold has an adaptive water cooling function, and the temperature can reach -5 degrees. Making the bending ring more stable and deformation-free. After bending, cooling, and shaping, the material is discharged into the frozen storage box. The entire process is isolated from water to avoid shrinkage, and the precision of product processing and the stability of appearance shaping are unparalleled by traditional processes.